Hello everyone, my name is Cristobal Basse. I'm one of the team members of LocoCart. LocoCart is an online platform that can be used by a grocery store in order to provide a safe and socially distanced form of grocery shopping to its customers. LocoCart allows its customer to view different items, availability, price, daily deals on various products, reviews, and make a purchase from the comfort of their homes. Due to the ongoing global pandemic, it is unsafe to run daily errands without coming in contact with many people. LocoCard allows you to stay safe while aiding to your daily needs. In addition to this, LocoCard is committed in providing quality services by daily updating the prices and availability and by providing deals on different items. So on project management, we use Jira as an agile project development and software development. Jira is a project management tool used for issues and bug tracking system. It is widely used as an issue tracking tool for all type of testing. We used we learned in details about the database in PHP before implementing. We also used MySQL as the database server. Server-side programming was done through PHP Laravel framework. We used Shopify as an inspiration and used Bootstrap for start. System capabilities make online shopping easier. On system capability, we used placement of orders, selecting products, adding products to cards, posting various products to pictures, allowing payments, supports add-ons, and the other audiographic advertising elements. We also use price details on each items. On this project, the technology used for creating the websites are we use PHP scripting language for server side. We use PHP Laravel framework as our framework. For front end, we used HTML, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. We used Apache as our web server and MySQL as in database. So why we use Laravel framework is because it uses MVC, Model View Controller Pattern. It is a stable form framework. Laravel testing is very simple. Also, it is migration for database by Laravel. We used on Laravel framework, our project code is based on three categories: model, view, and controller. On the model manages fundamental behavior and data of the application. It can respond to the request or information, respond to the instruction to change the state of its information, and even notify observers in event-driven system when information changes. It is the data and data management of the application. The view effectively provides the user interface element of the application. It will reduce the data from the model into a form that is suitable for the user interface. The controller receives user input and makes calls to model objects and the view to prefer opportunity actions. So talking about the project right here and the picture here, the model is a representation of a real life instance of object in our code base. The view represents the interface through which the user interacts with our application. When a user takes an action, the controller handles the action and update the model if necessary. My friend Samriddhi will further explain more about what we did on this project, and my friend Nana will further explain more about Jira and how we used it. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Samriddhi Thapa and I'm a part of the project Local Cart. As my friend has explained earlier, Local Cart is an e-commerce website that is designed to provide easy, safe and efficient way of grocery shopping to all our customers. Our customers have the option of shopping for their groceries from the comfort of their own homes with the option of in-store pickup or home delivery. Let me talk to you about few interesting features of our website. Let me show you our homepage first. So this is the homepage of our website Local Cart. We have added a search button on the homepage for our customers' convenience. Instead of having to browse through many products, this search bar lets the user look up an item faster. Suppose a customer wants to look for a particular brand of rice. They can do so by simply typing in the name or few keywords associated with the product. the website will then provide them with the product using the keywords they type. Similarly, let me go back to the home page first. Customers can also access a variety of products under a category by simply clicking on the category button right over here. So this will display all the products inside that category, and customers can also leave reviews and view reviews on products. This right here is a review left by a customer. It helps the customers know other people's experience with the product. To write a review, customers can simply type their reviews here. This is just an example. So when I submit it, my review will now be visible to anybody who wants to read the review of this product. Now, one of the first things we did on our project as a team was we created a cPanel where the admins can log in with their unique username and password and can access various things like sales report, order report, category list, and the slider list. So these are all the admins that we have currently. So admins also have the option of adding new users and giving them the access of our cPanel. By filling this form right here, we can add a new user. So let me show you. So this right here says user created successfully. Now let's go back and check. So this is the user that we created just now. By creating this user, we have given them the access of our control panel. Now to delete a user, we can click this delete button next to the user we would like to delete. So for example, let's delete the user that we just created. Okay. So user removed successfully. Now that particular user does not have the access to our cPanel. These are a few of the interesting features of our website. My friends will now explain our project in further details. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Nana Srestha, and I'm one of the team member of Local Card. So in the beginning of this project, we researched about how to build the web application. So at first we chose our domain name, and after that we started working on our database. So here you can see there are various tables which contains data from different entities. For example, products. So in the structure, we have created the ID, which is a primary key, and also auto increment, category ID, product name, feature key, product slug, and etc. And this is our HTTP directory, which contains the controller, middleware, and the form request. So controller handles all of the requests. This is our source code for authorization. Here we have created the public functions to log in and the construct. Also, there is a guest, so the user can check out as a guest and log out. So it takes data from the user, and if the user data matches with our database, then the customer will be able to log in and log out. And this is our app directory. The app directory contains the code of our application. And this is our source code for the card. We have created a class and then the public function to add the items, public function to reduce by 1 if the customer wants to reduce the item, and increase by 1 to increase the item in the cart, also to remove items if he or she doesn't want it. Also, this is our front end file, the image file where all of the images are stored, the product images, also the other required images too. So in our admin side, I worked on the orders report and to manage the sliders. So for now, we have a two slider, which is 5% discount on organic products and the Easter sale, which was the last month. So when the admin wants to add slider, he or she can go in this page and add the slider. And we can also see the active slider in this page. Also to get the order report, he or she can go to the orders and see the date, the order date, the customer name, product price, the shipping address. And to get the report, the admin can select the date and the in date and get the report. Also to the sales report, which is kind of similar, but it's a different because it shows the day-to-day business. It shows the date, product, price, and quantity. And for our home page, I helped my other friend to add the products and manage the categories. Also, we added the email updates here. So the customer can add the email and get the email updates about the latest offer and the sale price. Also, we use the Jira as our communication tool. I don't think so I can show you the backlog, but this is all the issues we've been assigning each other. I worked as a Scrum Master for Sprint 1 and 2, and then we divided the tasks and also the Scrum Master responsibilities. We had a few problems with our burn down chart, but Professor Omar helped us, and this is our Sprint 6 burn down chart. So yes, that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, this is Lisa Shrestha, a member of the group Local Card. As you all know by now, this is our homepage. And if we log in as a client, then we get to the dashboard where we have manage category and manage product along with other features. On the manage product, we have add product and product list. So this is the product list. Here we can edit or delete the product. So if I edit it, then I go to the update product page where I can edit the category, brand name, product name, photo, description along with the price. And if I add product, I can add a new photo, category, brand name, price, quantity, and description. The product details are according to the database where the product ID is stored internally, while product detail, name, price, and brand can be seen. If I go to manage category, we have category list and add category. So this is the category list. We can edit or delete it. And similarly, we can add a new category. Let's go back to the home page. So this is the home page, and I'm gonna add some coffee here or tea. I have this. I'm gonna add one more product. So this is our cart, and we can add a product. We can add the quantity of the product, or we can delete the whole product. And let's go to the checkout. So this is the checkout. We can add the name, email, address, zip code, contact number. We have the product, detailed product. We have the total, tax, and the grand total, of course. And we can place the order. As of now, we only have cash on delivery because we ran into some issue with the Stripe. We had trouble with the API keys. So if we place the order, we're gonna get the confirmation email. So let's go back to the home page. So some of the challenges that we ran into the project was we had some slip up in Zira. We had put time instead of years. We had put the time in years instead of the days, which hampered our burn down chart. Time management was a problem in the early phases. We also had initial difficulty while creating the database. And then we had power cuts due to the storm, which created some backlog. In spite of all the challenges we were facing, we tried to tackle it one at a time. Throughout the project, we learned a lot. We have learned the implementation and importance of project management. We learned more about HTML, Laravel, JavaScript, use of PHP, and MySQL database. On top of that, we learned how important teamwork, time management, and communication is on any project. So this is our project all summed up, and we had a really good time preparing it, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as we did. Thank you.